Hello everybody! I'm Johanna Basford, illustrator, colouring bookmaker and founder of Inky Art School. Inky Art School was a free 10-day course I created to celebrate the launch of my book, How to Draw Inky Wonderlands, and to help people like you learn to draw. I took 12,000 Inky Art Schoolers through step-by-step tutorials, draw-alongs and creative projects. In just 10 days, they went from too scared to pick up a pencil to creating beautiful inky illustrations. It was incredible to see so many people unleash their creative spark and discover that drawing isn't scary or hard. You just need to know a few tricks and tips. If you would like to learn to draw, to create pretty artwork, to discover a new way to relax, then I have a treat for you. I'm giving away all the Inky Art School classes, videos and downloads to everyone for free forever. Visit www.johannabasford.com/Inky Art School to find out more. I know you can draw, you just need a little help to get started, and I'm the girl to help. Come visit me at Inky Art School and begin your own creative adventure. Let's fill this world with happy artists.